so we're going to start with the easy one. He talks a little bit, but we're just going to do an easy one to warm him up, so we're going to see if he can say hi. Okay, ready? Okay? Can you say hi, Koalabi? Oh, it's okay. Don't be shy. They're nice. Ready? Can you say hi, Koalabi? Okay. Okay, just calm. He's a little nervous. Just say hi, Koalabi. You're being very literal. Okay, yeah. It's a comedy. I get it. Okay. Just let's rephrase the question. How about this? Why don't you wave with your foot and just say hi? Okay, he's going to do some people sounds. Ready? Give him a big kiss. Good. And this one's very realistic. Can you cough? Very dramatic. Ready? Cough. Okay, good job. Oh, thank you. Okay. A little Heimlich maneuver. Okay, now we're going to see if we can do a little dancing for you folks. Can you dance? It's kind of a good little dance, a little warm-up. Let's try this. This is his one big impression. This will be Koalabi's impression of watching a really fast race. So it's Koalabi, but he's watching a race. It's an impression.
Yes.
Okay. Check it. Okay, ready? Ready? You're very handsome. And they're off. Meow. 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 They're kind of spaced out. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Monkey.